Are you also searching ways to make money in 2025? Are you also looking for strategies that actually work and are genuine and authentic? Well, then you are at right place, because in this video, I'll share how I made $30,000 by doing these 5 methods. And the best part is anyone can try these methods. So if you are ready to make money, then stay tuned, because these strategies could actually change everything. I will start with number 5. Number 5 is selling digital products. This strategy earned me $2,000 plus by just creating something once and selling it again and again. I know you might be thinking digital products, isn't that competitive nowadays? No, there is a hack. I will tell you exactly how I did it and you can copy it too. I started by searching a low competition niche which is high in demand. I found that spiritual content like Vastu practice, which is very popular in India, but don't have much competition. So I chose Vastu as my niche, and for content creation, I used ChatGPT. I used ChatGPT and created 300 plus page ebook. As it is very unique content and there is huge demand of Vastu ebook and Vastu related content, so I just moved ahead and created ebook. Once my ebook was ready, I used Canva to make professional cover, and then my ebook was ready to sell. And then big question arrives, where should I sell my ebook? I use Facebook ads, because in Facebook ads I can target huge audience. Also I can stick with the demographics, audience interest and many things. And Facebook ad was perfect for me to reach large number of Indian audience who are really interested in Vastu. And the best part was that there was no competition and people were interested to buy Vastu. I sold ebook for $6, which is ideal price for Indian market. Other than this, I have also sold other digital product as well, like calendars, templates, business letters, cover letters, CV letters, and worksheets, and many more. Other than Facebook ads, I have used Pinterest, Facebook page, Instagram to sell my ebooks. So I will summarize this method for you. First thing you have to do is you have to research a low competition niche which is high on demand. Second thing, you have to go to Canva for the ebook cover and Facebook ads. Third thing, you have to make ebook, so you can use ChatGPT, Google Gemini as well. All these 3 things you have to do. If you are interested to know step by step how to create, sell and market the digital product, then check out the videos on my channel where I have shared all the things in details and I have shared step by step. That's just one of the strategies to reach $30,000. I would like to share other strategies as well. Alright, the 4th big money maker for me is a faceless Facebook channel. I generated over $6,000 with this. I earned through Facebook features like Facebook add-on reels, subscription, bonus, and as everybody does, ad streams. So here I have used 2 approaches. First is fully copy-paste method and the second one is the original content. Okay, let me explain it in detail. First, I repurposed the TikTok videos, and then some videos I have made small minor edits like changing the voice pitch, changing filters, adding some text overlay in it. Other than that, I have built some Facebook pages from scratch, but for some Facebook pages, I have taken help from sellers. There are sellers in the Facebook market. You can also contact them. You can take fully monetized pages. You can purchase fully monetized pages from them, and then you can start your work. By doing this, you don't have to make every time from scratch. Some of my YouTube channel didn't get monetized because it is a copy-paste content, but I have made a strong following base from there. Let's talk about the third way, faceless YouTube channel and Instagram. I generated over $4,000 from YouTube, and from Instagram I generated over $3,000. Here is how I did it. On YouTube, I earned through multiple sources: AdSense, subscription, and brand promotion. As I was uploading those edited TikTok videos there. So although not every channel got monetized, but yes, I have gained enough subscribers from there, so I can easily earn via sponsorship and brand promotion. If I talk about Instagram, I have used the same strategy in Instagram as well, but there the main focus was selling digital products. So as I have built a huge audience base there, so people were able to trust me. So they were easily buying my digital products. Other than that, for additional income, I have also used logo placements. I used to place logo on my videos, on my faceless videos. Currently, I have 6 monetized faceless channels and they are giving me steady revenue, and all without me being in front of camera and millions of views rolling in it. Okay, now let's talk about the second method, which is content writing agency. I'm generating $900 to $1,000 every month from content writing agency, but it didn't just happen overnight. Let me take you to the beginning from where it all gets started, so that you can also know that anyone can start the business from scratch. I started in 2020 originally as a blogger, and then I realized that it is more freedom and fun writing content. So I just become a freelance content writer, and from freelance content writer I just started my own agency because I was getting more and more clients. I was delivering good work, quality work, and from there I received more clients. Today, I have a team of talented writers who work with me and deliver quality content for clients. My process is very simple. First, I take projects from client, then I assign them to my team of writers and ensuring it that the work will be on time. Now, you must be wondering from where I get clients. So, Facebook, Fiverr, Upwork, and sometimes I used to mail them. So if you want to start your own agency and you are facing problem finding your client and setting and managing your team, then I can surely help you. Like, it is very simple to make this a full-time business. Moving on to the last method, which is affiliate marketing. I have generated over $18,000 with affiliate marketing. Believe it, it is the best and the powerful ways to generate passive income. And I'm sure many of you know how exactly affiliate marketing works. Like, you promote someone else's product via your link, and if someone purchases the product with your link, then you get a commission. I used mixed of paid and organic methods. So let's break it down. For organic methods, I have used Facebook page, Instagram page, and Pinterest. I have also used Bing organic website to capture the search result. In this way, I can reach different type of audience all in very easy manner. Then for scaling it up, for the paid strategies, I use Google Ads and Bing Ad. Google Ads, I have used generic keywords, brand bidding, and many more things. Paid ads require a lot of testing and optimization, but paid ads also allow you to target more specifically. After Google recent updates, old methods are not working very much profitable. So some new methods are there. If you want new methods, you can comment down below and I'll bring a video for it. Till that, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.